Since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing. I made up my mind. I never knew. I just had to find my directions, get lost in your eyes. 'Cause I've turned days into nights and spent all of my life asking questions. I ain't spent 1 second guessing. Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to play the new FGL song, alright? It's so good, I love it. It's actually from Songland. I don't watch the show, but so my buddies told me about it. It's supposed to be awesome. So if you have watched it, you'll probably already know this song. Anyway, so it's super easy to play, okay? There's like the two of the simplest strumming patterns you can ever use, and it's going to be in standard tuning with a capo on the 1st fret. All right, I'm going to include a link in the description to where you can, like on Amazon, so you can buy this capo. I don't get any paid for that at all. That'd be awesome, but I don't. But yeah, so I'll include that just in case you guys don't have a capo. I have had this capo for like 15 years. I love it. I have other buddies that have other ones, and they all say that they think this is the best one. So anyway, it's a great one if you don't have it. But let's get into it. Also, real quick, thank you so much for subscribing, all of you guys. I really appreciate it. All right, let me know if you have any requests for new songs you'd like me to teach you next in the comment section, okay? All right, so also if you could hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. I'd love that. All right, so let's do this. All right, so the chords you're going to use are G. You can use either one, okay? That one or that one. I use this one throughout this song, okay? So G, A minor, and C. Okay, if you those are almost the entire song. Okay, you're also going to use E minor and B minor. Okay, and that's it. All right, those are all the chords you're going to use. So you're going to start out the song. You're just going to do, because it goes boom, 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 boom. Okay, then you go, yeah, babe, and then you go, blame it on my youth or my rebel roots. So you're just doing single strums, okay? For the verses. So it's G, blame it on my youth. So youth is where you do A minor, and you can do A minor 7. It doesn't seem to make a difference. I think it sounds, either way sounds good to me. All right, so youth is where you do A minor, and then C is roots. So it goes, blame it on my youth or my rebel roots. Okay, or the corner booths I call home. Okay, then you go G right after home. 1 foot out the door. Door is A minor. Door always stopping short. Short is C. Short just before the fork in the road. Okay, then you go to E minor for the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus is E minor like this. You go, couldn't jump into the deep end. Then you do B minor. I was always overthinking. Then C. Every minute, every hour, every weekend. Okay? And then you're going to kind of let it ring a little bit. Because you notice we've just been doing single strums. So we've just been G, A minor, C. Just those single strums, okay? Just like that. So it's strum, 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 strum. Oops, sorry, strum, wrong chord there. All right, so yeah, super easy to do, okay? Then for the chorus, the strumming pattern is going to be a little bit different, and the chord progression is the same for most of the chorus, but it changes a little bit, all right? So if you have a really hard time with it, you could still do the single strums. You could do, since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing. I made up my mind. Okay, you could do that. It won't sound as good if you do the entire song that way. So here's what I would recommend, all right? I think this sounds super good with it. So you go, since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing. I made up my mind. Okay, so it's just down, up, 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 G, up, down, up, A minor, up, down, up, C, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, G, up, down, up, A minor, up, down, up, C, okay? So it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, I'm gonna do it real slow, real quick. Down, so it's down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, that's what you're gonna do for the whole chorus. I know I went a little bit long on that, but I just really, sometimes it's hard to get the strumming pattern, so I really wanted to make it easy for you guys. Okay, so for most of it, like I said, it goes G, A minor, C. Okay, so you're gonna do that like 4 times, I believe, and then you're gonna go. Then you'll do it differently. So I'm gonna walk you through it real quick. Okay, so it's gonna be since I met you. So you is where you start strumming. So where you're gonna do G. You, I is A minor. I ain't spent. So then the second I is C. I ain't spent 1 second guessing. So you start strumming G right before you say guessing. Guessing I made. So made is where you do A minor. Made up my mind. Mind is C. Okay. I never knew. I just had to find my direction. Get lost in your eyes. Okay, so then it's where they change it after eyes. So after eyes, you're gonna start going, 'cause I've turned days into nights. So days is where you start doing A minor. So because you're skipping G here, okay? So you're going, 'cause I've turned days into nights and spent all, so all is E minor, all of my life asking questions, and then you go to C. So instead of going G, A minor, C, you're gonna go A, E minor, C, okay? And then you go back to, now after questions, you're gonna do A minor again. You're gonna go, now I ain't spent 1 second guessing. So then you just go, after the A, E minor, C, then you just go A minor, sorry, A minor, E minor, C. You go A minor, G, okay? And then you're gonna go, so then it goes to G, A minor, C. All right. So for most of it, and this sounds super stupid, but for most of it, I like to remember things with like if they spell words because it helps me remember the chord progression. It's GAC, and that's not really a word, but it's G, A minor, C. So you could say GAMP, but I just think GAC sounds easier. So it's GAC is how you play most of it. Remember, you play that 4 times, and then after direction is where you go A minor, C, or sorry, A minor, E minor, C, A minor, G. Okay, and then A minor, it goes, on that last one, it's A minor, G, A minor, C, just to finish it out. Okay, so I'll just walk you through it 1 time, and then after this, you'll know the entire song. So it's since I met you, I ain't spent 1 second guessing, I made up my mind. Okay, so C, since I met you, G, U, A minor. Okay, then C. I just need to find my direction, getting lost in your eyes. So see, 'cause I turned days, so that's where we go A minor, days into nights, and spent all, E minor, all of my life asking questions, question C, A minor, now I don't spend 1 second, G, guessing, A minor, C. Then just do it a little down, up, down, up, down. Do an extra one on that, and then you go into the second verse. You turned on my lights, opened up my eyes to a world that I've never seen. Okay, that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have other song requests. The song only came out yesterday, so I hope it's, as of the time of this recording, so I hope that it's really, that you guys are loving this and that this tutorial is super helpful for you, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Excited to teach it to you guys and excited to see you learn. All right, thanks, guys.